Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to choose the best WordPress hosting for your business. Hosting is essentially the foundation of your website. It's where all your website files, images, and content live. A good hosting provider ensures that your site runs smoothly, loads quickly, and remains secure. On the other hand, a poor hosting provider can lead to slow load times, frequent downtimes, and even security vulnerabilities. That's why choosing the right host is one of the most critical decisions for your website's success. When evaluating WordPress hosting options, the first thing to consider is the type of hosting you need. There are four main types: shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. Shared hosting is the most affordable option, where your website shares server resources with others. It's a good choice for beginners with small websites. VPS hosting gives you more control and dedicated resources, making it suitable for growing sites. Dedicated hosting offers an entire server for your website, which is ideal for high-traffic sites. Finally, managed WordPress hosting takes care of technical aspects like updates and backups, allowing you to focus on creating content. Assess your technical skills, website size, and growth potential to decide which type fits your needs. Next, you need to consider performance and reliability. Your hosting provider should guarantee a high uptime. Look for at least 99.9% uptime. Speed is equally important, as it directly affects user experience and SEO rankings. Check if the provider offers features like solid-state drives, a content delivery network, and server locations close to your target audience. These features help ensure that your website loads quickly for visitors. Security is another vital factor. A good hosting provider should offer robust security features, such as SSL certificates, firewalls, malware scanning, and automatic backups. Cyber threats are a reality, and protecting your website should be a top priority. Ask potential hosting providers about their security protocols and whether they include them in their plans or charge extra. Ease of use and customer support can also make or break your hosting experience. If you're not tech-savvy, look for a hosting provider with an intuitive control panel and one-click WordPress installation. Reliable customer support is equally critical. Choose a host that offers 24/7 assistance via live chat, email, or phone. This can save you a lot of headaches if you ever encounter an issue with your website. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, remember that you often get what you pay for. Evaluate what's included in each plan. Some hosts offer free domain registration, email accounts, and other extras that add value. Compare pricing, but also consider the quality of features and support. The best WordPress hosting for you depends on your specific needs. Start by identifying your requirements, the type of website you're building, your budget, and your level of technical expertise. Research hosting providers thoroughly, read reviews, and don't hesitate to test their customer support before committing. Investing time up front in choosing the right hosting provider will save you from potential headaches down the line. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Have any questions or hosting experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.